Mr. Kamal Nath, you are live on my program. This is Arnab Goswami here. The people of the country are all listening to you right now.
This way.
I am asking.
I am live. I know that I'm live.
You are live right now with me.
Don't tell me.
It is the only way I can get an answer.
If you are operating from the BJP headquarters,
I am asking you what you meant by calling someone item.
Don't talk.
Don't shout.
Arnab, I've known you.
Yeah.
You are operating from the BJP.
I am operating from my studio and asking you a question.
From the BJP headquarters.
What do you mean by calling a woman item? You are live.
Arnab, say you are talking from the BJP headquarters.
I am talking to you. What do you mean by calling somebody item?
People of this country.
You called somebody item. You are live on the. You are live now. Would you like to give an apology for the word you used?
I hope you are live.
Yes. Why did you use the word item to describe someone? Why didn't you? Why did you say if the person feels bad, I'm sorry? Do you feel bad for the use of your words?
Have the guts to say that.
Do you regret the use of the word item? Do you regret the use of the word item?
I have known you. I know what you are all about.
Do you agree? You can forget talking about me. I am asking you, why did you use the word item? आपने item word use क्यों किया? आपने item word use क्यों किया? आपसे ज़्यादा courage है मेरी. आप बताइए मुझे. आप मुझे बताइए. Yeah, so it's all live. Tell me when you'll face me. I'm ready. Let's give the time. When? Tomorrow? Tell me the time. Tell me the time. Tell me the time.
When you were a correspondent.
So I want you to tell me. I want you to tell me the time when we can debate the subject tomorrow.
Why are you afraid?
I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you to give me an interview.
Why are you afraid?
I want to debate with you.
Why are you afraid to?
I am asking you repeatedly.
Why are you afraid?
You are afraid to face me.
To finish my sentence.
You are afraid to face me.
Why are you afraid to? I am not afraid.
You regret you picked my call. You regret you picked my call.
I'm not afraid of anything.
If you're not afraid of anything, then answer my question. Don't.
Show this live.
Yes, you're all live.
People of this country, what you always say.
Yes. The nation wants to know what you meant by the use of the word item.
And don't. Why are you afraid? Why you?
The nation wants to know what you meant by the word item.
What nation? Don't say nation.
India, the nation.
BJP wants to know.
The nation wants to know what you meant by the use of the word item.
Where are you operating from?
I am operating from the Republic newsroom. Now tell me, when are we meeting tomorrow for an interview? Do you have the courage to face me for an interview? Mr. Kamal Nath, do you have the courage to face me in an interview? When do we meet tomorrow? Yeah, are you afraid?
Why are you running away from
Are you afraid? You're live. I've called you.
Why are you running away?
So tell me, what do you mean by the word item? Item.
Why are you running
You said
away?
gleefully to the crowd, item. What do you mean by the word item?
Running away. Tell me, why are you running away?
I'm sitting right here. Do I look like I'm running away? You're running away. You're running away from an interview tomorrow.
Okay.
You are running away from an interview tomorrow. He got completely harassed. Do you hear that, viewers? What happened? You all heard Kamal Nath.
We couldn't hear the regret, we couldn't hear the apology.
No, but you heard him saying.
He has already regretted yesterday.
You named him.
He got hassled.
What about Tree?
He got hassled.
About Tree?
Not for once did he say that he regrets what he has said. Not for once did we hear that.
This was a mistake, and I think he has regretted about it. So
No, I didn't hear. I did not hear an apology.
It's giving an advantage to one particular party.
Not once did he mention that.
Apology is.
I did not hear an apology.
See, your regressive mindset is completely.
I did not hear an apology.
Not for once did he say, I am sorry or I regret what I have said. Not for once did he say that.
I didn't hear an apology. Smita wants to say something. You heard him there.
Not just did you see
Against a lady.
Yeah, did you see this is the context? Did you see the context, Arnab, where he says I have known you since you were a reporter? That is the way he was putting you down. Just the same classism that you saw with regard to a woman, when he said what he did with that what item was what he was trying to put you down, that I've known you as a reporter. What are you?
I'm so happy I started my career as a reporter. I'm proud of it.
That what are you? You have risen to be an editor today. You are a proprietor of a channel. You are the founder of a channel. That's not good enough for this man. Why? Because he sees you just as a reporter.
No, but I on the contrary, one minute,
This is
Smita,
exactly how people put you down.
Smita,
This is exactly how they say
Smita,
that you were just a reporter
I have
when
known you.
was a
I have
chief
known you
minister.
since
This is how people
1999
put you down.
when I was a reporter. And why should I be embarrassed about being? I was very happy. I started my career 24 years. I worked hard. I am very today. If you tell me to start my career all over again, I'll be happy as a reporter. What does Kamal Nath mean by saying I've known you as a reporter? Yes, I saw that, but that's not the point. He didn't answer the question. Sanju, did you see him answering the question? Subrashta, did he answer the question? He got hassled. He got hassled.
Absolutely. I think, yes,
I think
He got hassled.
sir, please allow me to speak, sir.
You nailed him.
I think
You nailed
Smita ji
him,
put
Arnab.
it very
You did
succinctly.
not leave him with any choice.
Yeah.
You know, why?
He got
why,
hassled.
Arnab, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why, Arnab, you expect everyone to answer to you? Are you nation?
We picked the
whole
call. I'm
nation
talking to him.
understands-
I want to say something very interesting, Arnab. I found
Why
it
do I
interesting.
expect people to answer to me?
Bring some-
I'm asking questions on behalf of the people. Yeah, are you mad? What are you saying?
Behalf of the people, I also want to know
The
one
reason
thing.
why we see this
that
kind of misogyny
the whole
is
nation
because
knows-
there is
the whole
selective
nation
outrage
knows
even from
why
the
the
Lutyens
word
media.
item
I think what it reveals is, I don't know. Why did Subrashta, why did Kamal Nath lose it? I was only calling him. He will not give me a one-to-one interview otherwise.
Something.
Yeah.
And I asked him,
I
I
think
didn't
this
ask
is
him any
something that
disrespectful
new
questions. I
age-
asked him what he meant by the use of the word item. What was wrong?
I think, Arnab, every new age citizen of this country needs to understand that Congress is a party that promotes, encourages no questions. He called somebody, some lady, an item that should have been just accepted as a mistake. And
Manojit
let's move
Mandal.
on, you know, there are other different important things to attend to in this grand democracy of ours. We should just move on because Kamal Nath is the, you know, the purse from where the entire ecosystem of the Congress sustains. Let's move on because this is not the first time that Kamal Nath has said something derogatory.